You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words correctly and break down the pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Respect. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Respect. Respect. The first syllable is either ri with a short e sound, respect, or a schwa sound, respect. You're going to hear both pronunciations and they're both correct. Respect. Stress on the second syllable, the spect syllable. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Respect. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.